How to add default characters in Unreal Engine 5. Sometimes we need to add the default characters. And now, I click the Add button and select the Add Feature or Content Pad. And I select the third person. Click the Add to Project. And I close it. And here, I click the Import. Click Import again. And wait for a second. And here, I select the characters and open it and select the meshes. And here, I'll have the two characters. And you can drag the character in the scene. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.